Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Sorry, good afternoon.
Jigyasa is lost in the classes completely, huh?
Yes.
चलो कोई नहीं.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. वो फ्लो वाली बात हो जाती है
Excuse
ना.
me, ma'am.
जी गार्गी.
Have you checked our notebooks?
PDFs, test PDFs.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं बेटा. एक्चुअली 7th और 8th का जो है PTM जल्दी है, तो इस वजह से आई हैड टू स्विच फ्रॉम 9th टू 7th 8th. 7th 8th का परसों रात में करेक्शन खत्म हुआ है. मार्क्स अपलोड आज हो जाएंगे उनके, और आप लोगों की पीडीएफ जो है आधी हो गई है, मतलब 30% तक हमने कर दिए हैं. बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वो मिक्स है सारी. 9th ABC 10th ABC सब मिक्स है. जैसे जैसे नीचे से हम स्क्रॉल करते जा रहे हैं, जो जो आता जा रहा है उसको चेक कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, कोई ऐसा सेग्रीगेशन नहीं कर रहे हैं कि पहले सीखे कर रहे हैं या एक. ठीक है, आई लेट यू नो. बता देंगे हम जब चेक हो जाएगा, बिकॉज आई नीड टू डिस्कस दी वीक पॉइंट्स ऑल्सो, नो, जिसने कहाँ पे किसने क्या गलती करी है. तो मुझे लगता नहीं है कि ऐसा कुछ होगा आप लोगों के साथ, बिकॉज जो भी चीज हमने एग्जाम में आया है वो आई थिंक कई कई बार हमने पढ़ा ही है. ऐसा कोई दिक्कत वाली बात होनी नहीं चाहिए उसमें. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when is our PTM?
यस बेटा.
Ma'am, when is our PTM?
बेटा नो आइडिया.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Sir will tell, don't worry, you will be informed. Whenever we'll have the PTM, you people will be informed prior. And I think yesterday there was a
Ma'am said 14 August.
14th of, most probably because see, sir wanted to finish all the PTMs before the Independence Day, right?
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Devansh. ये हम क्या बता रहे थे? Was anybody absent in SST exam from your class? है बेटा?
No idea. We don't
I
know.
guess Shaurya was absent.
Shaurya has not given SST exam. नहीं नहीं, उसने दिया है भाई. उसकी तो मैम ने मेरे को भेजा है कि कोई एब्सेंट नहीं था. Is Shaurya there in the class?
No, ma'am is not there.
No, ma'am.
वो तो पता चल जाएगा when I'll check the PDFs, no? But if anybody has missed on the test as absentee, we'll be having re-exam. I think yesterday sir has posted the schedule also for the same, right?
Ma'am, what is the highest mark you have? Like any student?
check की नहीं हुई अभी तो PDF बेटा.
मैम जहाँ तक भी करी है.
बेटा कोई ऐसा कुछ हमने किसी का वो मतलब लिख के नहीं रखा है कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. बस PDF सेव कर लिए, चेक करके मार्क्स अभी नोट डाउन नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है.
You have checked
Okay,
the
ma'am.
PDF.
चलो. We were on civics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I
we have to discuss the answer of the worksheet.
तो पहले आंसर डिस्कस करना है कि पहले चैप्टर कर ले?
Ma'am, answers.
पहले आंसर्स करें.
हम पहले चैप्टर.
बेटा हमें बताओ.
Ma'am, answers. Ma'am, answers.
तो आंसर्स हम करते हैं, और वर्कशीट खोलने की जरूरत है क्या स्क्रीन पे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So give me
Yes,
a
ma'am.
second. Give me a
Yes, ma'am.
second. Open. चलो क्लियर है ना स्क्रीन? बेटा एक बात बताओ मेरे को, इसको पीडीएफ में मुझे अगर कन्वर्ट करना हो तो मैं इसे कैसे कन्वर्ट करूं पीडीएफ में? शेयर करके?
मैम किस चीज को?
ये जो वर्कशीट है इसको
Worksheet.
अगर हमें पीडीएफ में कन्वर्ट करना है तो इसको
मैम
कैसे?
मैम मैम
हाँ।
मैम गूगल पे मैम कोई भी साइट होती है मैम, कन्वर्ट टू पीडीएफ ऐसे करके, तो मैम उसमें फोटोज हो जाती है पीडीएफ।
जैसे रुको एक मिनट,
मैम गूगल पे मैम
मैम आप वही पेस्ट कर दीजिए मैम
हाँ?
उस पे वर्ड पे। मैम
मैम
वर्ड
आप
पे
Word
वही
पे
पेस्ट कर दीजिए और सेव एज पीडीएफ कर दीजिए मैम, हो जाएगा।
Yes, मैम.
अच्छा ठीक है 2 मिनट दो
मैम
मेरे को,
कॉपी करके उसे पेस्ट कर दीजिए.
बस अभी तुरंत हम वर्ड पे कॉपी कर रहे हैं इसको।
मैम शेयर करेंगे आप तो अपने आप पीडीएफ में कन्वर्ट
हाँ
हो
तभी तो कह रहे हैं, तभी तो पूछ रहे हैं।
मैम वो डायरेक्ट भी तो शेयर कर सकते
जी
मैम, डायरेक्ट भी तो शेयर कर सकती हैं आप।
मतलब रुको, हम वर्ड पे गए, हमने प्लस करा, हमने पेस्ट कर दिया, राइट? आ गया, वेरी गुड, ये तो आ गया। अब हम इसको शेयर करते हैं एज अटैचमेंट, डॉक्यूमेंट कर ले रहे हैं, ठीक है?
Yes, मैम.
और हमने इसको चलो एक ये डॉक्यूमेंट आ गया हमारा स्क्रीन। Can you see the screen now?
No, ma'am. Screen is not.
No, ma'am.
ओ मैम
Wait, I am sharing the screen with you all. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
So now screen is visible.
Done. Okay.
Ma'am.
See all those who are there in the class. One by one, you read. Or wait, I'll call out the names. Okay. Tense. Mohit Gangwar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read out the first question and the answer also you tell.
What is a political party? Answer is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. Option B.
Very good. Can we have Kanika Chauhan for the next question?
Yes, ma'am. Parties are about a part of society and thus involve partisanship.
Are you sure? Option C.
Option C.
Partisanship. Very good. Then next is. अरे ये क्या हुआ? इसमें तो सारे आए नहीं क्वेश्चंस।
मैम आपने जितना कॉपी किया होगा मैम उतना ही आएगा ना।
Yes,
हमने
ma'am.
तो सारा कॉपी करा था।
मैम स्क्रॉल डाउन
Scroll it
करेंगी
down.
तो मिल जाएगा।
Please scroll it down.
हाँ वही तो I got so
Yes.
tense। क्या हो गया? चलो एक मिनट रुको। हाँ question number 3 we have to do, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Can we have Abhay reading? Abhay, next question, third one. Apurva,
Yes, ma'am.
read out.
What are the components of a political party? D, all.
All are the components of a political party. Okay. Now, in a democracy, fourth one, can we have Ananya Singh reading out?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Pavni. Ananya, are you there? No. Pavni, can you read the fourth question and tell the answer also?
Yes, ma'am. In a democracy, parties contest elections.
Yes, this is the correct answer. Then parties function through. Can we have Jigyasa telling the answer for this question?
Yes, ma'am. Parties function through policies and programs. Option C.
Option C. Very good. Next, can we have Gargi?
Can parties play a role in making laws for the country? Option A, yes.
Yes. Can we have Manthan reading out?
Yes, ma'am. Those
Seven.
parties that lose in elections, play role of opposition.
Yes.
Option B.
Option B. Very good. Next, can we have Samarth doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, please.
Uh-huh.
Who is the founder of the Bahujan Samaj Party? Ma'am, D.
Kanshiram.
Ma'am, Kanshiram.
Very good. Ninth. Can we have Naina reading out?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have to read the 10th one.
No, ninth one.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, your voice is very low coming. So, which political party believes in Marxism, Leninism? Ma'am, A. Communist Party of India.
CPI, Communist Party of India. 10th one, can we have Daksh reading? Is Daksh there in the class? Raghav Raj?
May I?
Apurva?
Yes, ma'am.
Read out the 9th one also, the 10th one also.
Which party is the oldest political party in India? Option A, Indian National Congress, INC.
Next, Viresh, 11th one.
Which country is an example of a multi-party system? A. India.
Okay. Puneet, next question.
May I?
Yes, Himanshu.
Which is a recognized political party? Ma'am, a party that is recognized by the election commission with all the privileges and facilities.
Very good. Next.
Option C.
Very good. Puneet,
Yes, ma'am.
question 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
What does the term partition mean? Option C.
A person who is committed to the party. Okay. Question number 14. Can we have Ujjwal reading? Raghav Raj, are you there? Aiza?
May I?
Aiza.
Yes, ma'am.
Read. 14.
How many parties are required in any democratic system to complete in elections in order to come to power? Ma'am, option A, at least 2 parties.
Yes, option A. Can you go for the next question also?
Yes, ma'am. Pick the country where the 2-party system still exists. Ma'am, option A, United Kingdom.
Okay. Can we have Gargi reading the next question?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Anji beta.
Ma'am, can you please repeat 12th question's answer because I got disconnected?
Option C. Option C. 12th is party that is recognized by the election commission with all the privileges and facilities. Right, Gargi?
Okay, ma'am.
And what is the answer of 14th?
14th का option A है बेटा. At least 2 parties. पुनीत नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ो बेटा 15th और 16th दोनों.
मैम 15 तो रीड कर लिया.
हाँ करो पढ़ो. ये तो हो गया
15
16th.
तो हो गया था.
हाँ 16th करो सॉरी 16th.
How many numbers of parties are registered with the Election Commission of India?
What is the answer?
Option A, more than 750 parties.
Yes, option A, more than 750 parties. Can we have Gargi doing the 17th question?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Give
may
the
I?
meaning of alliance. Ma'am, option D, when several parties in a multi-party system join for the purpose of contesting elections and winning power.
Very good. Pavni, 18th and 19th.
Okay, ma'am. Which one of the following?
Sorry. Wait. हाँ.
Which one of the following is considered the best form of government? Option A, democracy.
ठीक है.
Question 19. Select the statement related to the advantages of a multi-party system. Option C, provides choice to the voters.
Very good. Can we have
May I?
Jigyasa reading 20th?
Yes, ma'am. Political parties are allotted symbols by option D, the election commission.
Okay.
And
हाँ. 21st वाला कर लो जिज्ञासा.
an affidavit signifies option A, signed document where a person makes a sworn statement regarding his or her antecedents.
ठीक है. Belongings. ठीक है. Question number
May I?
22. Can we have Aiza doing it?
Yes, ma'am. What is an ideological one-party system?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Options.
Yes, Viresh.
Ma'am, the answer of 21 should be D.
नहीं बेटा A ही है. पार्ट 21 का D नहीं होगा.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. देखो ना लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट में declare the academic qualification is not required. ठीक है. Only A1 is correct.
Okay, ma'am.
28th का मैम.
हाँ.
And 28th का
20th में political symbols are allotted by the election commission to the political parties. ठीक है. चूज वो लोग करते हैं पर सिंबल उनको अलॉट कौन करता है? इलेक्शन कमीशन. अगर जैसे मुझे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी खोलनी है और मुझे जो है अपने उसका जो निशान बनाना है वो से हैमर रखना है तो वो मुझसे पूछेंगे आपने कोई सिंबल सोच के रखा है? तो इफ आई विल टेल देम यस आई हैव समथिंग इन माय माइंड तो दे विल आस्क मी ठीक है बताओ. अगर हैमर किसी और का नहीं होगा तो दे विल से ओके यू टेक इट. तो वो हमें अलॉट कर देंगे. ठीक है. तो अलॉटमेंट इज ऑलवेज डन बाय द इलेक्शन कमीशन. चूज भले ही आप कर लो एज अ पॉलिटिकल लीडर ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी और एज अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बट जो अलॉटमेंट होता है वो इलेक्शन कमीशन ही करता है. आप अपनी मर्जी से अपना सिंबल बना के जो है नहीं घूम सकते हो. जब तक उसको रिकॉग्निशन नहीं देता है इलेक्शन कमीशन तब तक इट इज इनवैलिड. राइट.
yes ma'am.
चलिए वी हैव टू डू व्हिच क्वेश्चन?
Ma'am, 22nd.
हाँ. व्हाट इज एन आइडियोलॉजिकल वन पार्टी सिस्टम?
May I?
यस. हिमांशु नेक्स्ट 2 पढ़ लो बेटा.
Ma'am, 22 and 23.
हाँ जी.
What is an ideological one-party system? Option C, party based on ideological reasons.
Party based on
Coercion,
ideological reasons, coercion and suppression of other
parties.
parties.
Question 23, political parties are most visible institutions in the democracy. Which of these is false? Most people in a democracy are not critical of political parties.
Yes. Next.
Ma'am, now may I?
चलो अभी ये कौन है मे आए वाला?
Ma'am, Viresh.
आज विदेश चलो पढ़ लो बेटा.
Question 25. A government is expected to base its policies on the line
नहीं क्वेश्चन
taken.
नंबर 24.
Yes, ma'am. 24.
हाँ
Which party is only allowed to rule in China? Communist Party. Option
कम्युनिस्ट
B.
पार्टी, ठीक है. 25th
A
one,
government is
right. Read
expected
out.
to base its policies on the line taken by the ruling party. B.
By the ruling party. Very good. Next. Can we have Nana reading?
Ma'am, may I?
नैना को पढ़ लेने तो, बहुत देर से नहीं पढ़ा है नैना ने. नैना is out of some meeting. आओ नैना जल्दी पढ़ो.
Ma'am, she's
Ma'am.
not there.
No, she's there. Nana, are you there or not?
Ma'am, she's not there.
चलो तो can we have
Yes,
Kanika
ma'am. She is
reading?
not there.
Kanika,
Yes,
Kanika.
ma'am.
Meeting list, she is there.
चलो. Read out Kanika.
Yes, ma'am. 26. The constitution was amended to stop. None. Option D.
Option
D.
नहीं. ठीक से सोचो.
Ma'am, option B.
Ma'am, option
अच्छा
B.
बेटा actually
Ma'am, option
नहीं,
D. Ma'am, option
नहीं
D.
ये वाला पार्ट अभी हमने पढ़ा नहीं है, ठीक है. This is about how parties can be reformed. So this topic we have not done till now, so you won't be able to answer this question. So let us leave this question.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है.
What is the correct answer?
The correct answer is defection. Option C.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Nana, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Right now, actually, my meeting was disconnected.
27 and 28 questions.
Okay, ma'am. One of the demerits of multi-party is that it often appears very messy and leads to political option C, instability.
ठीक है.
Question number 28. What is the name of the alliance that formed the government in 1998? Ma'am, this I haven't done.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Tell.
May I?
May I tell? May I?
चलो you all can. Those who know they can tell.
Ma'am, option
Option
A.
A.
Ma'am,
Democratic
option A.
Alliance.
Option A.
National Democratic Alliance.
National Democratic Alliance. Very good.
Ma'am, may I tell the 29th one instead of 28?
Beta, can we have Srishti Gautam reading? Srishti, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read out the 29th question.
In which year was the Communist Party of India (CPI) formed? Ma'am, option B, 1925.
Yes, option B is correct. Next. Nana, do you know or shall I tell Srishti?
May I?
सृष्टि को
Yes,
पढ़ना
ma'am.
है. चलो
May
लेट
I?
सृष्टि को पढ़ने दो और एमसीक्यूज अभी और करा देते हैं, थोड़ा सा टाइम बचा है. पढ़ाने से अच्छा है
Okay, ma'am.
एमसीक्यूज और करा दे. ठीक है, करो.
Yes,
Last
ma'am.
one.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Who founded the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP)? Ma'am, option B, Shama Prasad Mukherjee.
अच्छा, इसका हमने करेक्शन ये बताया था. चलो ठीक है, अगर ये ऐसे कोई आता है तो आप लिख सकते हो, पर वैसे इसका क्वेश्चन चलो हम चेंज कर देंगे इसको. ठीक है, ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
I
You
have
said
written
that.
A option.
A option is the
Ma'am,
correct
also
answer.
written A.
हाँ, A is the correct answer.
Yes,
What is the question you told earlier?
हाँ
What was the correct question for this?
बेटा, इसका करेक्ट आंसर भारतीय जनसंघ है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी को बनाया गया था भारतीय जनसंघ को रिवाइव करके, उसका नाम चेंज करके. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
I am sharing the screen with you. Just give me a minute. Huh? Okay. I will close this down. हाँ पुनीत, मार्क कर दिया बेटा, मत परेशान हो.
Ma'am,
जी बेटा.
ma'am, can you please share that PDF on the class group?
PDF अभी कर लेते हैं.
Yes.
Do we have any PPT for this chapter?
For this chapter, बेटा होनी तो चाहिए. चलिए, I am sharing it. I am sharing the next one. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बेटा.
Ma'am,
Yes
could you
बेटा.
please share that worksheet
Just a minute.
on WhatsApp?
WhatsApp group, class group. Doing it. Give me a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a minute. I am doing it.
Ma'am, please share.
Sharing it. Sharing it. Wait. Just a minute. Huh? Why it is not going? Just a second. I am sharing now. Okay. But it is taking time. I don't know why. Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा, बस हो गया हो गया.
ma'am, if it is taking time, then you can send
हाँ?
after the classes. Ma'am, if it is taking time, then you can send after the
What did you
classes.
say बेटा? आपकी आवाज समझ नहीं आ रही है, जोर से बोलो बच्चा.
Ma'am, if it is taking time, then you can send after the classes.
अच्छा, can you see the screen?
No, ma'am, it's not visible.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
अरे कहाँ गया ये? एक मिनट रुको. नहीं हो रहा है.
Ma'am, we will take the screenshot from the recording.
Yes, ma'am, we will take. Then make the. We will make the.
Wait, I'll try again one more time. Okay, wait. मिल गया? देखो डॉक्यूमेंट आया कोई?
Yes, ma'am.
आ गया ना?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
ठीक है. फाइन. एक और हमने अभी डाउनलोड करा था, वो पता नहीं दिख ही नहीं रहा है. Just a minute. Huh?
Ma'am, what we have to do next?
I am just giving you.
Ma'am, we are left with less time.
हाँ बेटा पता नहीं क्या दिक्कत हो रही है, स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो पा रही है. मैं क्वेश्चंस बोल दूं आप लोगों को,
You can ask orally. You can ask orally.
है ना, ओरली पूछ
Yes,
लेते हैं.
ma'am. Ma'am, white board पे नहीं.
पता नहीं वो व्हाइट बोर्ड भी, वो मैंने तीनों ऑप्शंस ट्राई करके देख लिए, वो हो नहीं रहे हैं कनेक्ट. Okay. Which one of the following facilities is offered by the Election Commission to a recognized political party? Party name, election funds, election symbol, manifesto.
Election symbol.
Election symbol.
Election symbol.
Election symbol.
Ma'am, election
Okay.
symbols.
Correct. Which one of the following is a national political party? Samajwadi Party, Rashtriya Janata Dal, Rashtriya Lok Dal, Bahujan Samaj Party.
Bahujan Samaj Party.
Bahujan Samaj Party.
Bahujan Samaj Party.
Who among the following recognizes political parties in India? President of India, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Supreme Court, Election Commission.
Election Commission.
Election
Election
Commission.
Commission.
Election Commission.
And which one of the following countries has one party system? China, Indochina, Japan, Germany.
China.
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 In which of the following states does Shiv Sena exist as a regional political party? Without options, can you tell?
Ma'am, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Yes, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Very good, very good. Name the political party that emerged out of mass movement. DMK, Janata Dal, Forward Bloc, Bahujan Samaj.
Bahujan Samaj.
Huh?
I mean, don't know.
DMK.
Janata Dal.
बेटा जनता दल, जनता दल.
Yes,
Janata Dal.
ma'am.
ये
Yes, ma'am,
बुक में भी
जनता
दिया
दल.
हुआ है, ठीक है, बुक में दिया हुआ है ये. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ रिकॉग्नाइज्ड पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. बता दो इसका क्या ऑप्शन होता है, क्या प्रोविजन होता है टू बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड
By the Election Commission.
एज. हाँ, एज.
What are the options?
Options are a party that is present in only one of the federal units, a party that is present in several and all units of the federation, a party that is based on regional and communal diversities, a party recognized by the Election Commission with all the privileges and facilities.
D.
Ma'am, the last one D.
Ma'am, D.
Option D. Option D.
One last option.
Option D.
Commission with all the privileges and facilities.
Okay. How many parties are needed in any democratic system to compete in elections and provide a fair chance for the competing parties to come to power?
At least
More than
two.
2.
At least
At
two.
least more than
At
two.
least two.
At least two.
least
At
two.
least two.
ठीक है. Then, what is a signed document submitted to an officer regarding his personal
Affidavit.
information? Affidavit.
Affidavit.
Affidavit. Very good.
Affidavit.
Very good. Who chooses the candidates for contesting elections in India? Members and supporters of the party, top party leaders, existing government, none of these.
Top party leaders.
Members.
Party leaders.
Party
Yes, it
leader.
is top party
Party
leaders.
leader.
Yes. When and under whose leadership was Bahujan Samaj Party formed?
Kanchi.
By a, it is
And
Kanchiram.
Kanchiram.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
Kanchiram. 1984.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, Kanchi.
And when was the BJP founded? 1960, 1970, 1980,
1980, ma'am.
1980.
1980.
1980. Very good.
1980.
1980.
How many recognized